What's going on, you guys? Charlie here from MAPerformance, and in today's video I want to make sure that we show you guys how to build a 500 horsepower Evo 10. Now in this video I'm going to go ahead and lean on the expert Leo, who consults with people every single day who want to make this kind of power level, because believe it or not, 500 horsepower is about the max you can do on a stock block with one of these cars. He's the guy with all the answers for how to build your car, so I'm going to let him go ahead and explain to you guys what parts you're going to need and what things to consider when building this car.
Hey guys, this is Leo from MAPerformance. Today I'm going to show you guys and tell you guys how to make 500 horsepower with your stock block on your Evo 10. Let's get down to it. Alrighty guys, so you might be wondering, how do you make 500 horsepower with your Evo 10? Well, the formula is very, very simple. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need fuel. That's gonna be your fuel pump and fuel injectors. We sell multiple kits on our website to be able to drop directly into your factory Evo 10 fuel hanger. Additionally, you're gonna need some fuel injectors. We sell those as well, ranging from 1,000 cc's all the way up to the biggest size that Injector Dynamics and Fuel Injector Clinic offer. Now with that being said, you're gonna also need a bolt-on turbo option. You got a couple of different choices. You could either go with the AMS V-band style kits that they sell out there, or you could go with our favorite, which is the ATP bolt-on series of turbos. Now, 3576R is gonna be a great choice. It's a little bit on the larger side, but it'll allow that torque to come in later in the power band, which is going to keep that stock block together when you're making all the jam. Lastly, what you're gonna need is somebody to tune it, right? So you got all these parts on, you're ready to rock. The last thing you really need is going to be somebody to hook up a laptop to that beautiful machine of yours, to calibrate the fuel, to calibrate the spark, calibrate everything under the sun, and to make it run and work properly together. These are obviously the key components that you need. Now, things that you should consider while you're doing these upgrades are something like a front mount intercooler kit, either from us or from ETS, a cold air intake system, either again from us, ETS, or any other vendor that we might carry or sell in-house. Aside from that, it's really pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You definitely want to keep that car below or at 450 to 400 foot-pounds of torque to really keep that bottom end together. Tuners that specialize in Evo 10s, however, they know exactly what they need to do to make that happen. And again, going with a larger turbocharger, even though it's stock frame, is gonna help deliver that torque and that power band further in the RPM range. So that's really it, guys. It's super duper simple. All you gotta do is get out there, spend the money, make it happen, and you're gonna have an awesome, super cool daily driver, or even a track car.
All right, well, there you guys have it. We got the answers direct from the source. Leo, AKA Fuel Pump Daddy, as we like to call him. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. And if you want to learn how to build a car to another horsepower level, why don't you let us know down below in the comments. And if you haven't already, be sure to give us a huge thumbs up on the video, because believe it or not, that actually helps out our channel a ton. If you guys are curious and looking to get any of these parts for your car, go ahead and check out the link in the description, or as Leo said, you can give us a call, 1-888-MAPerformance. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, maybe we should bolt these in so they don't think we bought this off a Copart. No, I'm talking about this. Yeah, you're doing it right. Everybody's got that one buddy. Yeah, just keep going. Yeah. This is how dedicated we are to our customers is, oh yeah. This is good.